Mipum khudingmakna isa isagi imabu nungsibagi khudol oina U-Char Amamam Thasi haina Manipur gi Governor Bhalla phungdokre. Ngasi Palace Compound da leiba City Convention Center da Principal Chief Conservator of Forest amadi Head of Forest Force na sinduna ek per ma ke naam 2.0 gamaloina Humfutara Taruk Suba Van Mahasab Celebration English Singani Kun Mangage Grand Finale Thoram Gumari Lena Wafambase Governor Bhalla na Fongdokibane. Thoramadu Hodringe Mangwena Governor Naluchingduna Kangla Manunda U-Char Singh Thaki Loinana Thoram Pangto from City Convention Center da Hadak State Sin Batungna Tongan Bat District Singda Van Mahasab Ki Thoram Pangto Kibagi Video Sing Semzilaga Film Oina Sumiamda Utkibaga Loinana Fresh and Food Hainaming Tonba Lighting Amasu Fonke. Governor Bhalla na makha taraduna umang wamang kanba yokat pahaibasi lengak na paikhat pangai banatana isa gi shu achouba thodang loduna punna hotnaminasi hauzik ayinga sagi khal kai tharakli basi karidagi haurakpano haibasi mayam na khangnarabani tungi mironda miyoi bai khoina soikibasing asi amuk hanna thengnadanaba hauzik kari thodang Laukhasigi haiba khanba matam oire mausagi khal kanbada mipum khudingmakna thodang lominasi haina fongdokhe
एक पेड़ माँ के नाम is a creative, visionary idea of our Prime Minister. Each child should plant a tree, then he own it up. It should rather grow along with the child. आप अपने घर में लगाइए तो the child should look after it. I'm so happy we have given some saplings to students. As a matter of this thing, we have been distributing free. Don't just treat it as a government scheme or a waste of this thing. Plant a tree, it's very useful. You take care of tree as part of your mother, or I would say as part of your growing up. So that is the idea, and we should all get involved. Every tree absorbs carbon dioxide, supports biodiversity, helps your future of generations. So the whole idea is that one Mahotsav should not be only a name, it should be involvement of individual human being into this whole